Paghahanda sa ginagawang Bagong Pilipinas Kick-Off Rally ngayong linggo, ating alamin kasama si Director Chris Villonco ng Presidential Communications Office. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Director Chris.
Good afternoon po, and good afternoon po sa lahat ng nanonood at nakikinig.
Welcome sa Bagong Pilipinas ngayon.
Yes, I'm so happy na magpo-promote po ako ng Bagong Pilipinas natin at nandito tayo sa Bagong Pilipinas ngayon.
Yes, at kitang-kita nga natin, ano?
Yes.
Kung paano namin pinaghandaan itong pagdating mo kasi very excited, maraming excited, lalo na the people who are behind this kick-off rally like you, no?
Yes.
So para lang po sa kaalaman ng ating mga kababayan, ano po ba ang layunin at agenda ng isasagawang rally sa linggo? At sino po ba ang lead agency sa campaign rally na ito?
Okay, so ang Bagong Pilipinas po ay isang call to action ng ating administrasyon. Ano po ba ang call to action? It is to remind ourselves, to remind the Filipino, and to transform the Filipino with Filipino pride sa isip, sa salita at sa gawa. Kaya paano natin magagawa yon? Kahit sa isip man lang, hindi man natin sasabihin na mangingisda lang ako and kung ano man, wala nang lang. We are Filipinos, we are recognized kung saan-saan sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. They recognize us for all our talents na nakikita natin. Sa salita, alam naman po natin, di ba, karamihan, kadalasan sa social media, kadali-daling mag-critique sa isa't isa.
Yes.
Pero medyo konting push pa tayo pag kailangan positibo ng sinasabi natin tungkol sa isa't isa at tungkol sa bayan. And of course, sa gawa, nakikita mo naman po natin yan sa lahat ng ginagawa natin. How we are able to project ourselves sa buong mundo, sa atin, sa isa't isa, sa trabaho, sa pamilya. So this is our way also to call, and we also know na hindi lang po ang gobyerno ang kailangan ding magkaroon ng bagong Pilipinas and this whole transformation. Tinatawagan din po namin ang bawat mamamayan all over the world, lahat ng mga Filipinos, hindi lang nationwide. Kasi alam naman po natin na hindi natin magagawa ito kung hindi magagawa ng administrasyon ito kung wala pong partisipasyon ng ating bagong Pilipino, ang ating mga mamamayan.
And you know, Chris, Director Chris, natutuwa ako personally, kasi even in my personal experience, parang yung Filipino pride sa mga panahon ngayon ay mas nadadama. I mean, nandiyan naman talaga siya ever since. But now, parang especially with Bagong Pilipinas ngayon, parang na-revive yung Filipino pride at pagiging proud natin sa pagiging isang Pilipino.
Yes.
Sabi mo nga, sa isip, sa salita, sa gawa, pati sa kasuotan.
Yes.
Usong-uso ngayon, pag nagsuot tayo ng sariling atin, ay parang statement ba yun para sa iba na, hey, I'm proud na gawang Pilipino ito, gawang lokal.
Yes. What is it? Support local.
Yes.
No? And of course, we also know that, di ba, karamihan din ng ating mga artists, karamihan din ng ating mga talents na hindi masyadong kilala dito or who are trying to make their name here. Kailangan pa silang pumunta sa iba pang mga competitions, doon pa sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo, and not here bago makilala sila, bago bigyan sila ng atensyon ng ating ng social media, let's say. So, I think it's also time to start discovering and looking in ba? Diba? Aside from supporting local, support local not just for our products, our textiles, our culture, and everything else, but also the people that we have, ang mga nakikita natin na kumakanta rin sa mga karaoke bar.
Yes.
Alam na natin yun. We know hindi tayo nawawala
Kasama
ng
ka
mga...
doon. Ikaw
Kasama
isa
ako
sa mga
doon. Yes.
magagaling
Hindi
talaga.
tayong nawawala ng
Yes.
talent in whatever way, shape, or form. And also service. I think that's what we're also recognized for now. We are always, our service, the way we are, ang pakikitungo natin sa tao is really very different as opposed, as compared to other nationalities.
Oh, that's true. Alam mo, maging ang Pangulo, very proud doon sa brand of service natin mga Pilipino at naramdaman yan nung nagkaroon ng mga paghihirap sa ibang bansa. Nakita nila kung gaano kahalaga ang mga caregivers natin, mga doktor, mga nurses natin, lalo na nung pandemic.
Yes. I think nakikita naman natin yan also in social media, yung mga kwento na naririnig natin, kung anong ginagawa ng ating mga overseas Filipino workers para sa kanilang mga amo, para sa bansa, just for them to be able to help and to be able, and we just have that innate quality talaga na tumulong at and also makibahagi and also to have empathy for whoever it is. Wala tayong discrimination sa ganon, which I love. So I really hope that even if, let's say, our Filipino pride minsan nagiging criticized. Alam na po natin yan sa mga ibang parte ng mundo. Sana I also ask and I also hope that we as Filipinos try to support our fellow Filipinos all over the world who are trying their best to make their mark. Maybe sometimes there are mistakes along the way or there are things that are criticized. But I feel kailangan ng konting push pa para supportahan naman natin ang atin.
Yes, iba talaga pag you have the whole country behind you, the Filipino people, the nation. And yung mangyayari ngayong Sunday, no? Excited ang lahat kasi gusto nating makita itong tinatawag ninyong parang rally, kumbaga. So, is it a rally? Parang ganun ba? How would you describe this big event?
I would describe it as a kick-off. No?
Okay.
This is the beginning of what the President wants to be able to spread as quickly as possible throughout the world. Hindi lang nationwide po ito. I think we're really expecting that through our online support and of course PTV as well. I know that there's going to be live airtime happening.
broadcast,
Live
yes.
broadcast po tayo on that day. So I think it's all of that. We are really trying to do this as fast and as quickly and as spreadable as we could, if that's a better word
Yes.
for it. Kasi nga noon, nung pinapag-usapan nga kung paano ba natin gagawin to, paano ba natin ilo-launch ang bagong Pilipinas. At first, parang ano lang siya, parang kumbaga farm to table, yung tipong reach out to the barangay, reach out. Pero ngayon, parang ang sabi ang gusto din ng ating administrasyon is no. Kailangan talagang we need to call it out. We need to be able to call to action. We need to be able to ask everybody to be able to come together, makibahagi, and be able to do this together. Kasi wala namang bagong Pilipinas kung walang bagong Pilipino. And that's all of us.
And what does that mean, pagiging bagong Pilipino? Baka yung iba tatanong, bakit? Ano ba yung lumang Pilipino? O ano yung lumang Pilipinas as opposed to bagong Pilipinas?
I think I could also say na isa po itong transformation, isa din itong reminder sa atin of what we have achieved, what history has given us, what we have done, even our parts, everything that has come across and what we should be proud of. Kasi sometimes I think it's really hard to remember, kahit tayo nga, 'di ba, we can be so self-critical. 'Di ba? Kumbaga nga, we have this whole idea of self-love, right? And so why can't we also do that with our own Filipino people, to be able to remind us of what good we have done, what is there, not necessarily, again, sa salita. We need to be able to push it forward for support, to be able to know, to be able to also support and to be able to say, this is good. Not necessarily, but always bad. Diba?
Yeah.
Yun yun eh.
So I understand where you're coming from kasi marami nang pinagdaanan ang Pilipinas, tayo mga Pilipino, and it's not to say that we're forgetting our past,
Yes.
no? But
Yes.
actually, how would you explain that? It's about all of this put together which makes us who we are now.
Yes.
We are stronger as a
Yes.
people, 'di ba? And hopefully more positive kasi it's easy to criticize, no? And we're not saying don't.
Yes.
We still, keep them coming because it improves
Exactly.
one another, di ba?
Exactly.
Oh, but at some point, you also have to think, ano bang pwede kong magawa para sa aking bayan?
Yes, and actually, you also think about it in terms of lumang Pilipino. I would also say this is generational. Diba? We're always trying to cross that generational gap of whatever else was. Kung okay noon, ngayon medyo kailangan na nating baguhin ng slide. We need to be able to respect a little bit more. We need to, it can just be the smallest of things, right? We always say that. And so, I wouldn't want to say lumang Pilipino, but it's just version 2.0, version
Yes,
3.0,
oh.
version 4.0, because it will change. And I think that's also the great thing about Bagong Pilipinas is that we know even for the next administration and for administrations to come, this is something that can be practiced and can be done in the simplest of ways. And it's not something that is a complete change from what we have done in the past.
Okay, so speaking of projects, Director Chris, and yung mga programa ninyo, no, pwede nyo ba kami bigyan ng teaser kung ano pa ang mga dapat asahan ng ating mga kababayan sa ilalim ng Bagong Pilipinas ngayong 2024 na inaasahang ia-anunsyo ninyo ngayong linggo?
Yes, aside from yung mga, of course, yung ating, the administration's programs na meron na po, yung Kadiwa, yung Serbisyo Fair, yung ating Lab for All, we are actually going to have the Lab for All bus over there, as well as ang ating Serbisyo Fair. So, lahat ng social services, lahat po ng mga concerns ng ating mga mamamayan, since this is open to the public, they can go there para to avail of those services or whatever else na
Like for
kailangan
example,
nilang
andun
ayusin.
ba ang pag-ibig, ganyan? Yung mga
Dapat,
departments,
because
diba?
we're also calling all our
SSS,
departments.
PhilHealth.
Yes,
Yes.
we're also calling on all the government agencies. Kaya full force din po silang pupunta doon. Dahil this is really not just citizens, we're also calling all the concerned and responsible parties to make this bagong Pilipinas successful. So of course, aside from that, we will never ever ever veer away sa ating mga entertainment.
Of course, of course.
So, syempre, meron po tayong ating mga konsyerto sa Palacio artists that
Yes.
we've had from the past. Kaya we're so grateful that they're always here on board with us to be able to showcase their talents. And then we also have Skasta, we have Andrew E.,
Yes.
we have Jose Enwali, we have Fourth Impact, isa pa po yun. So we have all these artists that are coming, Geneva Cruz, RC Munoz, Ronnie Liang. These are also AFP reservists, no?
Oh,
That will be
wow.
singing also at the event. So this is really going to be a fun day, but also an informative day for us to rejoice and celebrate Bagong Pilipinas.
Alright, so mukha pong all set na ang inyong preparations. Bukod pa sa mga na-mention mo, sino-sino pa yung mga inaasahan nating dadalo sa pagtitipon na ito?
Definitely po, from the government side, we of course are going to have the first family. Of course, we are calling our government agencies, the departments, our cabinet secretaries. Sila po ang pupunta doon. And then of course, our artists. And of course, the most important, our public. We are calling everyone to please come and join us sa Sunday.
So ito ay libre. You can
Yes.
just come, wala namang ticket, walang babayaran.
Wala po.
Meron namang space for everybody. How many people are you expecting to attend?
We are expecting around 200,000 to attend. So sana po talaga pumunta po kayo. Please come early. Magsimula na po ang ating ang ating kasiyahan at 1 o'clock. So I really hope that magkita-kita po tayo doon. Nandun lang po ako nagtatatakbo para sa PCO para may address kung ano man ang kailangan i-address doon po on the grounds.
All right, very excited ang lahat, no? Paano kung may kababayan daw tayo na nasa malalayong lugar? How can they participate dito sa programa ngayong linggo?
Siyempre, aside from being live here, we also have our live streaming from
Yes.
Radio Television Malacanang. So we will be able to, and of course, the Presidential Communications Office, and then of course, we also have our YouTube channels that will be live streaming everything.
Yes, please, sumali kayo, manood, mag-comment, mag-like,
Yes,
mag-heart.
please.
Para makita ng PCO at mabigyan din tayo ng, di ba sigla, maganda rin
Of course.
nakakakita ng suporta mula sa ating mga kababayan, mula sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo at ng Pilipinas. Ngayon, bilang panghuli, Director Chris, imbitahan po natin ang ating mga kababayan, no, na muli na makilahok at makisaya sa darating na linggo.
Sige po. Good afternoon. My name is Chris Villonco po, galing po sa Presidential Communications Office. Iniimbitahan po namin kayo na makilahok, makibahagi sa Bagong Pilipinas kick-off rally this Sunday. Starting po, mga 1 p.m. Meron na pong nangyayari doon. Marami pong mangyayari doon. So please, kung hindi po kayo makakadalo, please go to our live stream channel sa YouTube, sa Facebook. Nandun po kami. Mag-like, as you said, mag-like, mag-comment, mag-heart. Mag-comment po tayo and let's try to see ano po ang bagong Pilipinas sa inyo. Ano po ang bagong Pilipino. And let's celebrate that together. Kita-kita po tayo.
Okay, maraming salamat, Director Chris Villonco mula sa Presidential Communications Office. Good luck po sa ating event ngayong darating na linggo. Siyempre, kasama tayo dyan, Bagong Pilipinas ngayon, as you can see. So, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.